Namaskara.
Why we should do yoga? Yoga is one of the oldest physical discipline in the world. Yoga boosts your immune system. In other system of physical exercise, the internal organs of the body do not get proper exercise, while yogasanas give sufficient exercise to the internal organs of the body. Consequently, an individual can maintain good health and longevity of life. The blood in the different blood vessels is purified through different yogasanas. Yoga is the art and science of mental discipline through which mind becomes cultured and matured. Yoga maintains the youth long. It keeps the body full of vitality, immune to diseases, men at old age. The yogi never become old. Yoga increase job satisfaction. Yoga that makes you love, laugh and live. It helps in quitting unwanted addiction. Yoga provides a deeper level of spiritual relaxation. Regular and daily practice helps one in releasing stress, fear, anger, cruelty, hatred, and negative thoughts, thus bringing in desirable and harmony and achieving peace, happiness, and eternal bliss. Yoga is a way to overcome fear, thus increase creativity. There is a sufficient elimination of stool, urine, waste matter from the body, and hence the body acquires more resistance power to keep a disease away. It improves blood circulation and flow. Attending yoga lifts up your mood. During yoga, the body releases hormones that help improve mood, lowers the stress. This is why many feel happier after every practice. Yoga provides sciatic pain relief. Regular yoga promotes spine health. Yoga can work every muscle in your body. Those suffering from anxiety could benefit from practicing yoga. Yoga helps mothers during pregnancy. Yoga regulates your heart rate. Yoga's role in disease prevention. Yoga lowers the risk of stroke. Yoga in the workplace can help to improve productivity. Yoga is effective for pain relief. Yoga helps with weight loss and weight management. Yoga lowers your risk of heart disease. Yoga improves IBS symptoms. It lowers your triglycerides. Yoga improves quality of life. Yoga promotes sleep quality. Yoga helps to treat an inferiority complex. Yoga could help to improve breathing, promotes healthy eating habits. Yoga helps relieve vision discomfort. Yoga can work every muscle in your body. In yogic practice, glucose and sodium decreases. Regular practice decreases the cholesterol and triglycerides. It increases HDL and decreases LDL and VLDL. In yoga, vitamin C and total serum protein increases. Thyroxine count increases. Yoga improves concentration and memory. Yoga decreases pulse rate and respiratory rate. Eye and hand coordination improves, and dexterity skill improve. Yoga increases cardiovascular and respiratory efficiency. Gentle yoga movements can helps in relieving arthritis pain. Yoga massage of body organs. Yoga is a way of life. Yoga is an art of living. Don't say it's mine. Reverse. Say it's ours.